Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for sushi. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, right around 15.1. We can also notice a key level right here, around 7.8, which is obvious to spot from these two reactions here. Now we can also plot in our monthly swing low, right around 0.05, and we can see prices reacting right above the key level, holding it as support, which we'll see more clearly on the weekly. So, on the weekly chart, we have a clear swing low here, right around 0.992, where we see multiple reactions acting as support. Now we can also plot in a key level here, right around 1.5, where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance before price broke up, and a deviation from this key level here and coming back into our range. Now we can also plot this as a swing high, right around 1.7. So, what else do we see? We can go ahead and plot our weekly swing high right here. And we can plot a key level right in here, as we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now, we can also plot a key level right here. Right around 5 and 4.7, as we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. And always keeping in mind our key levels are not always strict prices, meaning as price comes up to this level, we won't see exact prices stop exactly at this level. We want an area where we expect to see a reaction from. As we notice, the long wicks broke through this level of support, but then reclaiming and the candle closed above. So, these are all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly chart for sushi. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.